Hi everyone, this is Aniket Shukla. Here I want to present a short PPT on a group of a airline which is a Fly Emirates of UAE. Now we will see a background of a Emirates group. The Emirate was founded by Rashid bin Al Maktoum on 25th October 1985 with the funding of $10 million which were probably provided by UAE government. Here is the Emirates yearly growth by services. Now I will show you a yearly growth by Emirates which have been 51 million plus passengers were flown by Emirates with comfort and luxury. Then 250 plus aircraft in a services or fleet in a year. The most highly growth destinations as per across 70 plus country and 6 continent route map of a Fly Emirates. We will see the route map after some time. In this particular slide, we will talking about the position of Emirates in all over the country of airlines. Let's see. Emirates Airlines was a fourth largest as passenger by kilometer flown on the flight and largest foreign passenger to carried and drop down to the destinations. Second largest by a cargo with weight of ton flown by Emirates by aircraft as cargo flight and second largest one flight from Dubai to Auckland. Here is the big question. But why Emirates is a fourth and second largest airline? What is the reason about his success? Now the success reason we will see in the next slide. So now we will see the Emirates recipe of success. Since Dubai International Airport does not have any night flying restrictions, Emirates achieve a higher utilizations of its aircraft than competitor. It also has lower staff cost than longer establishment rivals, lean workforce and smaller organizations, lower operating costs due to several factors, fully wide body fleet rather than mixed flight, excellent customer experiences or services given by Emirates. Lean workforce and smaller organizations. A lean workforce means streamlining operations and processes to maximize efficiency and minimize waste, ultimately enhancing productivity and employee satisfaction through continuous improvement. Then, lower operating cost structure than other airlines. These companies offers decreased ticket prices to passenger but recoup those losses by charging for a range of extras such as food, priority boarding, seat allocations and packages. Reduce operating costs also by Emirates. Now we will see the lower operating cost due to several factors. Emirates Airlines utilize fuel hedging, a financial risk management strategy to mitigate the impact of volatile fuel pricing by locking in prices for future fuel purchases, thereby enhancing cost control and financial stability. Now the main question is, what is a fuel hedging? A fuel hedging is a strategy where airlines purchase forward contracts or options to secure a fixed or capped price for their future fuel needs, protecting them from unexpected prices increases. And the second lowest cost per seat given by Emirates and single international hub of Emirates airline. Now we will see the fully wide body fleet rather than mixed flight. It means the Emirates operate a fleet of only Airbus A380s and Boeing 777 wide body airliners as compared to other airline operating mixed body airliners. This arrangement reduces maintenance cost to a large extent of Emirates. Let's see the customer experiences of Emirates. Emirates is known for its excellent customer service. with a focus on comfort, convenience, and going above and beyond to ensure a positive travel experience. They invest heavily in their in-flight experience and customer service strategies. Mainly focused on comfort and convenience, Emirates invest in upgrading cabin interior with new flooring and seats and offers a range of amenities to enhance the in-flight experiences like dedicated customer services, personalized attention, feedback and complaints, investments in training, customer satisfactions, contact information and local Emirates offices. We will see some point in the excellent customer experiences has been Emirates offer the flying experience unmatched by other carriers. Emirates cabin crew is well trained to cater to every needed of customer. In-flight services and other are outsourced as far as possible to reduce operation costs. Here is the core competency. Emirates Airlines core competency includes global network expansion, a focus on customer service and luxury, a strong brand image, and technological innovations. Here, it is the ability to cater to more than 150 destinations, its unique and excellent customer experiences, global network expansions, customer service and luxury, a strong brand image, technological innovations, people and cultural awareness, adaptability and flexibility, and most importantly, teamwork. The four type of includes we will see a simple core competencies, job family competencies, job specific competency, and leadership competency. Here we will see the structure of the core competency and the nine topics we have shown. Here is the route map of Emirates flies to 155 destinations in 70 countries. Aircraft Emirates operates 269 aircraft and is the world largest operator of the Airbus A380 and Boeing 777 family of aircraft. India Emirates operates 172 flight to India every week serving 9 destinations Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Kochi, Kolkata, Mumbai and Thiruvananthapuram. Other destinations and foreign international destinations like Emirates flies to various destinations in Africa, Asia, Europe and the Americas. That's all about the map or route by Fly Emirates. Here is the exclusive partnership with leaders in the industry of Emirates like Boeing, Airbus, Danata, Qantas for the 5 seasons. Hello tomorrow. What is a hello tomorrow? Used to connect to customer in the various ways. Is this a slogan of last 7 to 8 years? Now current slogan is a fly better. Past slogans we will see. So be good to yourself. Fly Emirates in 1990s. Fly Emirates keep discovering. Fly Emirates to over 6 continents. And this one is over 8 years. Hello tomorrow. And currently the current slogan have been a Fly Emirates. Here are the sum of sponsorship across various genres by Emirates like AC Milan, Arsenal FC, in 2014, Olympique Lyonnais, Real Madrid, SL Beneficia, the Emirates FA Cup, UAE Pro League, ICC International, Durham Cricket, IA, etc. are given by Emirates for the sponsorship of various across genres. Here we will see the SWOT analysis of Emirates. And what is the meaning of SWOT? So S stands for strength, W stands for weakness, O stands for opportunities, and T stands for threats. Here we will see the SWOT analysis of the fully Emirates group. This is the revenue and profit loss data of Emirates of last 5 years on 2019 to 2024, we will see revenue in AED million and profit loss of AED million. Here is the graph I have concluded with this data. The graph will shows the profit and loss in the linear equation. How is the revenue company will generated on yearly and which we will gain by profit or loss. So we will see. Here is the bar in a red bar or a maroon bar, revenue in AED million, and white bar shows profit and loss of AED million. Here is the thunder line shows error, which is a profit or loss. Downwards going a loss property and upwards going a profit property of revenue and profit loss data. Here is the revenue and profit loss data of Danata. The data of last 5 years of Danata company, revenue in AED million and profit loss in AED million. And let's make the graph of profit and loss, revenue in AED and profit loss in AED. Here we will show the linear equation which may have seen the profit or loss which were gaining by company. The red or maroon bar shows revenue of the company and white bar shows profit loss AED in million. Here is the small error bars shows the error which may have a profit or loss of the company in last 5 years. Now we will see the comparison between Emirates and Danata profit loss of last 5 years. We will collect both data of last 5 years of Danata and Emirates and make a graph who's the profitable in last 5 years, Emirates or Danata. I will show the graph of maroon bar shows profit loss 80 millions of Emirates and white bar shows profit loss 80 million of Danata company. Now we will see the summary and conclusion of Emirates. Emirates established in 1985, funded by UAE government, serving over 150 destinations, youngest fleet in class, lean workforce and thus lower operating cost, fleet over 250 aircraft, excellent advertising across globe, constant growth of 25% per annum, much more differences of Emirates between Danata within revenue and profit loss, sponsorship in various fields, excellent service and affordable. That's all about my Fly Emirates PPT. Thank you so much.